Here it is, another Harley rake video. We got rained out today on the excavation projects due to mud and a lot of rain today, but now the sun finally came out. And like I said, after the rain, it's always good to do a driveway. So we're doing our neighbors on the next house over, which is my mother's. We all live up on a private 100-acre farm here, so all these houses are all family. So I'll just show you real quick on how these controls work anyway. So that's the barrel right there, and this is the toggle. So that puts the barrel towards us, that puts the barrel away from us. So when you're going forward, you want to put it away so it shoots all the material out and back to us, and the opposite way if you go the opposite way. One good thing about the KUBOTA, it has continuous flow, which is this button, which allows you to just let it keep going like that, where some other manufacturers, you gotta hold the button. Like if you're running a brush hog, you gotta actually hold that button. And let me tell you, after 10 minutes of holding that button, your fingernail feels like it's gonna fall off. So that's kudos to KUBOTA on that one. It's really nice. So you just hit the button there, and it's always continuous. And like I said, for this, we could run it just like a toggle, like you would a thumb on an excavator. And then we got some other buttons there which run different stuff, and you got ones down here at the bottom also. So that's the basics to run this piece of attachment. And let's I'll give you a little better view here at the center of what I'm seeing. So you want to just rev it up right here, full tilt, and give it a whirl. Driveway is a little different material than what we did yesterday. This is actually like marlite and crusher run, a different type of shale crusher run, which is blue. The brown stuff yesterday was gravel base crusher run. So two different materials which actually act different with different moisture content and everything else. So, but the Harley rake does a good job on both. All right, and there you have it, a quick tune-up with the Harley rake. It breaks up a lot easier when it's wet, you know, moist. If it's too wet, it gets kind of muddy, and you know, then you gotta hit it the next day. But this is, I mean, this is borderline too wet, but you know, you could just fix the little spots with a rake, like right here, you know, a little high spot there, rake it out, or just spend more time on the machine, whatever. This was a literally 8-minute job, just quick tune up because it rained. That's it. Hopefully we'll be back on site tomorrow on a paying job.